Do you ever wake up and think, I have so much to do, I don't even know where to start? Instead of stressing, you can have ChatGPT plan your entire day for you. Welcome to AI for Your Mom, where we make AI simple for everybody, everywhere, even your mom. Let's say your day looks like this. You have daily tasks like pack lunches, snacks, and backpacks, clean the kitchen, check on grandma, and pick up the kids. Open ChatGPT on your phone or computer. In the chat box, type this prompt. I have the following things to do today. Now list your tasks. Quick tip, if you press enter, it sends your message. But if you hold shift and press enter, it just moves you to the next line. After you paste your tasks, give instructions. Help me plan my day. Organize them into a simple, realistic schedule with breaks. You can also tell it things like, I get tired in the afternoon, I have more energy in the morning, or I need frequent breaks. When you're ready, press enter. And now, instead of thinking all day about what to do next, you can just follow the plan. You can even say, make this less overwhelming, or give me a lighter version of this day. And that's it, your day, planned for you. Don't forget to download my AI for Your Mom cheat sheet and starter guide in the description below. And like and subscribe for more simple AI tips anyone can use.